Hello everyone, welcome to Skill Double. In this video, we will try to understand what is share market in a more simplistic way with examples. So let's start. Like any other market, example, fruit market, vegetable market, fish market, or garments market where vendors try to sell their products to buyers. The vendors usually display their product and offers to sell them on a price determined by the demand for the product. If the demand for the product is high, the price is high. If the demand is less, the price is low. Similarly, in a share market, companies tries to sell their shares to general public or institution. Here the shares are listed by the companies and a buyer can buy it on a price which again here also is determined by the demand for the company's shares. So if a company is doing really well with regards to its financial reports, or is very popular among masses due to right reasons, then the price of the share is high. Alternatively, if the company is not performing well or has a bad publicity around it, then the demand is low and the price is low. This is the very reason why traders sit in front of monitors and constantly check the graph for fluctuating prices of shares. So, to summarize, share market is a place where companies list their shares to be purchased or sold. That's it for now. If you liked the video, then please hit that like button. Please show your support by subscribing and sharing my channel. Also, feel free to provide your valuable comments in the comment box. See you in the next video with such short informative video on financial concepts. Till we meet next time.